Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at some of the Pirelli mountain bike tyres with the Enduro soft terrain and rear specific. I've chosen to take a look at the soft terrain and rear specific tyre for various reasons. The rear specific has especially awesome rear traction and braking, whereas the soft tyre has great wet and dry grip with big side knobs. The need to change tyres because of weather conditions is no longer necessary. These tyres have amazing rolling speeds with their soft compound and wide tread pattern. Riding over rough surfaces really feels like you're riding on marshmallows. Overall, this combination of Pirelli tyres really work great together. They are strong, light, and both harbour insane grip and rolling speeds. Riding these tyres has been super fun, and I've really enjoyed how well they gripped on the more slidey and technical tracks. Pirelli have done a fantastic job at designing these, and I highly recommend for you to check them out at pushys.com.au. You won't regret it.